जनरल एप्टीट्यूड के आज के इस लेक्चर में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। ए इज 4 टाइम्स एज एफिशिएंट ऑफ बी एंड कैन फिनिश अ टास्क इन 45 डेज। फाइंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज रिक्वायर्ड टू फिनिश द टास्क इफ बोथ आर वर्किंग साइमल्टेनियसली। अगर दोनों ऐसे साइमल्टेनियसली काम कर रहे हैं तो फिर उन्हें कितना समय लगेगा, कितने डेज लगेंगे, वो बताना है हमको। 1 डे वर्क ऑफ ए इक्वल टू 1/45, 1 डे वर्क ऑफ बी इक्वल टू 1/4, 1/45 मतलब 1/80। 1 डे वर्क ऑफ टोटल बोथ 1/45 प्लस 1/80 तो क्या हो गया 1/36। मतलब डेज कितने हो जाएंगे, 36 डेज लगेंगे उनको। अगला क्वेश्चन, ए इज थ्राइस एज एफिशिएंसी एज बी कैन फिनिश द टास्क 16 डेज अहेड ऑफ बी। फाइंड द नंबर of days required to finish the same task if both are working alternately starting from A. B number of days x, 1 day work of B is equal to 1/x। A का नंबर ऑफ डे x माइनस 16, ठीक। 1 डे वर्क 1/x माइनस 16 मतलब 3 इज इक्वल टू 3/x है, तो x इक्वल टू 3x माइनस 48, यहाँ पर x इक्वल टू 24। 1 डे वर्क 2 डे वर्क इज इक्वल टू 1/24 प्लस 3/24 इक्वल टू 1/6 है। 1 डे वर्क 1/12, डेज कितने हो जाएंगे 12। विनोद कैन डू 25% ऑफ अ पीस ऑफ वर्क इन 5 डेज। हाउ मैनी डेज ही टेक टू कंप्लीट द वर्क इन 10 टाइम्स। वन अपॉन फोर्थ वर्क इज इक्वल टू 5 डे वर्क इज इक्वल टू 20 डे। 10 टाइम्स वर्क इज इक्वल टू 10 into 20 is equal to 200 days। Nishu and Archana can do a piece of work in 10 days and Nishu can do it in 12 days। In how many days can Archana do it alone? 1 day work of Nishu and Archana is 1/10। 1 day work of Nishu is equal to 1/12। Archana 1/10 minus 1/12 is equal to 1/60। Archana days 60 days। हम स्पीड की बात करेंगे। वी डिफाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट एज द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवलिंग बाई इट इन पर यूनिट टाइम इंटरवल। इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाई डिवाइडिंग द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाई द ऑब्जेक्ट बाई द टाइम इज टेक्स टू कवर दैट डिस्टेंस। द स्पीड ऑफ वेलोसिटी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड वन टाइम टेक्स units and measurement। Generally if the distance is measured in kilometer, we measure time in hours and speed in kilometer per hour and is written as kilometer per hour। and if distance is measured in meters, then the time is taken is second in meters per second and is written as meter per second। Conversion of units, kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 meter per 16 into 60 seconds। 5/18 meter per second। 1 meter per second is equal to 15/5 kilometer per hour। 10 किलोमीटर x किलोमीटर पर आवर इक्वल टू x इंटू 5/18 मीटर पर सेकेंड। x मीटर पर सेकेंड इक्वल टू x इंटू 18/5 किलोमीटर पर आवर। रिलेटिव स्पीड पर आ गए। Same direction, when objects are moving in the same direction, relative speed is equal to difference between speed of two objects। Relative speed s1 minus s2 is speed of one with respect to 2। s1 s2 case 2 opposite direction, face to face or back to back। When objects are moving in opposite direction facing each other, relative speed s1 plus s2, back to back s1 plus s2। Concept of acceleration is defined as rate of change of speed। Acceleration can be positive, speed increases, or negative, speed decreases, also known as deceleration। Acceleration first speed minus initial speed upon time duration, final speed minus speed upon time duration। The unit of acceleration is meter per second square। Acceleration due to gravity, this is the acceleration induced by gravitational pull of earth is not g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square। v is equal to u plus gt, where u is equal to initial speed, v is equal to final speed, g is equal to acceleration due to gravity, t is equal to time taken, s is equal to ut plus half gt square, where s is equal to distance covered। Problems on trains। Trains are a special case in a question related to the time speed। and distance because they have their own theory and situation. The basic relation for their train problem is the same. Speed into time is equal to distance. The following time need to be kept in mind before solving question on train. Problems on train. When the train is crossing a moving object, the speed has to be taken as relative speed of the train with respect to the object A. So rules for relative speed will also will apply for calculating relative speed. The distance of to BC covered when crossing an object whenever a train crosses an object will be equal to length of train plus length of a direct trace. Thus the following causes will yield separate equations which will govern the crossing of the object by the train. For each of the following situations, the following rotation have been used. St speed of train, lt is length of train, s naught speed of train object, l naught length of object, t time taken, t l1 al2, d l1 plus l2, l1 plus l2. Train crossing a stationary object, a pose standing human being without length. T is equal to L1 upon S1. Train crossing a stationary object with a length distance to be crossed LT plus L naught upon ST. Train crossing a moving object without length. In opposite direction, LT upon ST plus S naught. In same direction, LT upon ST minus S naught. Train crossing a moving object with length in opposite direction, LT plus L naught upon ST plus S naught. In same direction, LT plus L naught upon ST minus S naught. Boats and streams. The problems of boats and streams are also dependent on in the basic equation of the time and distance. Speed into time is equal to distance. The speed of boat is let, so the speed of stream is let b. The speed of movement of boat is dependent on whether the boat is moving in which time. The still water is 0. Speed of boat is b. While moving upstream or observe the flow of the water, the movement is given by s equal as plus s y. So while moving the downstream with the flow of water, moving is given by s b plus s. A train crossed a pole in 15 seconds. If the length of the train is 300 मीटर, find the speed of the boat of the train. S equal to 300 upon 15 कर देगा तो आंसर आ जाएगा. Two trains of length 120 meters and so meters c meters are running on parallel lines in opposite direction with the speed of 55 per 55 kilometer per hour respectively. In what time with they pass each other? Distance 120 200. Speed 25 plus 55 90. 90 into 5 by 10 is 25 meter per second. T is 200 upon 25, 8 second. In the stream, B lies in between A and C such that it is equidistant from both A and C. A boat can go from A to B and back in 6 hours 30 minutes. While it goes from A to C in 9 hours, how long would it take to go from C to A? A to C is distance is equal to D. Time is equal to 9 hours. D is equal to 9 into SB plus SS is equal to 1. A to B as distance is equal to D by 2. D by 2 upon SB plus SS plus D by 2 plus B minus SS. 6.5 hour. Form on 4.5 plus 4.5 into SB plus SS upon SB minus SS is equal to 6.5. SB plus SS upon SB minus SS is equal to 1.4.5. Assume A is tending to C upstream. D is equal to 9 SB minus SS A to B upstream, B to A downstream. D bar C, D upon 2 SB plus SS, SB bar SS plus D by 2 SB plus SS equal to 6.5. 4.5 plus 6.5 SB bar SS upon SB plus SS equal to 6.5. SB bar SS upon SB plus SS equal to 2.2 bar 4.5 is 4 by 5. C to D distance equal to D is equal to T into SB plus SS. Divided by equation 2 by 1 T upon 9 SB plus SS upon SB minus SS. यहाँ से 9 into 4 by 9 इक्वल टू 4 आवर्स। ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन से करेंगे हम। धन्यवाद।